Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the finals is having an issue with not launching, or it is crashing, freezing, stuttering, lagging, FPS raw, and even many more issue which is happening for many of the users right now and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to end the final rediscovery process in the discovery in the task manager. That means we just need to launch the game. So most probably either we have to not launch the game, it will be either in the game. So what you need to do is once you're in the game, so now the game is running, right? So what we need to do is if we go to the task manager, right click over here and go to the task manager. And if we can see that there are a lot of things running in the background, that is which all related to the game. That means if I expand this, you can see the EC anti-cheat is running. At the same time, the final is running. So what we need to do is, if you're having the issue with the crashing or any of these kind of issue, the first one you have to go to the task manager. And from here, we need to close everything that is related to the game. So right now, these two things are related to the game. So you have to close things related to the game. Rest, everything is not there. So just go over here, and if you find EC anti-cheat or if you find anything related to the finals, just go over here, go to the end task. And right now, when you go to the end task, you can see that it will be removed from here. And now we just need to go back and you have to try. So this is the first step. Next one, we need to try restart your PC. So just go over here in the start, click on this one, just go over here, do a simple restart. Once the restart is done, just try launching the game. Still, if you are having the trouble, you can try the next one. That is all about, we need to try these in the launch option. That is, just go over here in the game, right click, go to the properties. Now from here, go to launch option, you can see. So the first launch option is, we have to start with BX11. We have to start with BX11. This is very important, you have to start with BX11. So then you have to save and try launching the key. Still, if you're having the trouble, just go to the properties. And before that, what I need to do is let me go over here, go to the task manager. I'll just close this because it is running. That's what I'll do. Just let me go over here. And okay. I'm just closing it. So first give the command BX11. So if BX11 is not working, just go over here to the properties once again. Instead of giving BX11, you have to try B3, D2. You have to try D3, D2. This will be working. D3, D2. Okay, D3, D2. If D3, D2 is not working, try D3, D2. Stay if it's not working. You have to try next one, that is force D3, D2. You have to try force D3, D2. I'll be giving these in the description. Still, if you're having the trouble, just remove this one. Go for window 4. D3, D2. You have to try D3, D2. Still, if it's not working, go for BX12. We have to try with BX12. So try with BX12 and just close this and launch the key. Still, if you're having the trouble, you'll be having the trouble again and again. So we need to find a solution. So you can try, most probably in my knowledge, this particular step, giving the commands, any one of these commands might be working in most cases. Next one, we need to uninstall and reinstall the anti-cheat. So just go over here in the game or navigate to the installation folder. So in my case, it is local disk D. Go to Steam library, Steam apps, go to the common, navigate to the finals. So just go over here. You have to just go over here and you have to press any key over here and you need to uninstall. Just go over here. We can uninstall it. And once the anti-cheat is uninstalled, you have to just go over here and try launching the game. Still, if you're having the trouble, after the game is launching, or if you're having the trouble, you can also try installing back the anti-cheat. And you can, if you go over here to the same Steam library, Steam apps, and go to the common. Now from here, if you navigate to the finals, and if you install the anti-cheat, you'll be having the issue. You'll be fixing the issue with the finals. Most probably this can help you guys out. Next one, we need to just the next step is all about we need to disable the overclocking and overlay applications. So if you just go over here, you can see, just click over here, go to the task manager. And right now, as you can see, there are a lot of things running in the background. So right now, before I'm launching the game, as you can see, the background process, there are 47 background processes running. And all these things are actually utilizing the performance of a game and they're affecting it. So what I need to do is just go over here. If you find overclocking application, for example, rewire tuner, MSC afterburner and all those things, just remove everything from here. Once everything is removed, we try launch the game. So just remove everything, and once everything is successfully removed, we just need to try launch the game. Next one, after trying with this still, if you're having the trouble, the next one, we need to make sure the date, time and region are correct. So just go over here in the search, navigate to settings. Now from here, go to time and language. You can go to the time and language. Now from here, you have to go to the date and time. Make sure the time zone automatically should be turned on and time automatically should be turned on. So just go over here and now we can go to the language and region. Now from here, you can see there are a lot of things running. So just click on over here, country and region. This should be selected and you have to select United States. If you're from United States, if you're from United Kingdom, we have to select United Kingdom. And once afterwards, just use this or cross check whether it is all done and move to the next step. Next step is all about we have to give few commands in the CMD. So just go over here, search for CMD. Now click on run it as an administrator, go for yes. And now the first command is ipconfig space flushdns. Here type flushdns. Now press enter. Next one, ipconfig release. ipconfig space / release. Next one, we have to give ipconfig. Try giving all these one by one. I'll be giving this in the description. So it's not ipconfig. The next command is netsh and the ip reset. Next one, reset. Get this we fourth reset. Next time on is the release 6 reset on release. So once, as you can see, every parameters has been set. So you have to give one by one. So I'll be providing those in the description. And you have to run the CMD as an administrator and give all these commands. Then you can try launch the game. Just close this and you have to try launch the game. Next one, if it's still having the trouble, you have to move to these kind of steps. This can help you guys out in my knowledge, but if you're having the trouble, just try with these. So we most probably launch the game from the Steam one by one. So try launching it from the installation folder, not from the Steam. So just go over here, go to the properties, installer file, and just click on the browse. That will take you to the installation folder. Instead of Steam, try launch the game from here. That might work. You can try out. And also we have to run the game as an administrator. And also we have to run it in the compatibility mode. So just go over here, right click, go to the show more options and in properties. Go over here in the compatibility, click on run this program in the compatibility mode. First, we need to set this to Windows 7 or Windows 8. First, set this to Windows 7, go for apply. Or you can set this to Windows 8, go for apply. Next one, run this program as an administrator, go for apply and go for OK. Once this is done, just close this and we have to close this and go back and try launching the game. Next one, what we need to do is we just need to allow the game to Windows security. So just go over here, search for the control panel, just click on this one, and we have to go over here, system and security, go to Windows Defender Firewall, go to allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here, scroll down and navigate to finals. Keep scrolling down and navigate to finals. And right now, as you can see, you'll be able to find the finals here. So just go over here. You have to find, scroll down. Okay, so the finals is added. Make sure you have to put a check on both the boxes, that is private and public. Both has to be put a check on both the boxes. And once it is done, what we need to do is, once everything is being set, just close this and try launch the game. And also make sure you have to disable the Steam overlay. So just go to the game, right click and go to the properties. Make sure this is disabled. And once it is disabled, try launch the game. That is also very important. And also we need to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So just go over here, search for the graphics settings, just click on this one, and we have to add the game. So it'll be having an option. Just click on add the desktop app. Now we just need to click on this PC, go to local SD, go to Steam library, Steam apps, common, scroll down and navigate to the finals. Select this one and we need to add it. Once it is added, you can see this is added. So just go over here, expand this. Over here, as you can see, this is the GPU preferences. So make sure you have to select this to high performance. Set this to high performance. And we just need to close this and go back and try launching the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to increase the virtual memory. So just go over here into the new advanced system setting. Just click on this one. Go to the advanced settings, advanced, once again, go to the change. Make sure this is blank and you have to select the local disk. So over here, as you can see, this is new VRAM should be selected because this is where the game is installed. Go to the custom size, set the value for initial size, that is 1.5 times the total RAM, and the maximum size 3 times the total RAM. So just go over here, search for the calculator. So we need to give the value. So 16 GB multiplied with 1024, and we have to multiply it with 1.5. That is 24576. Copy this and we have to paste it. Next one, 16 GB multiplied with 1024, and we have to multiply with 3, that is 14852, and copy this and we have to paste it. So just paste it, and once afterwards just close this and try launching the game. Next one is all about we need to update the Windows. That is also very important. And also we have to try updating the graphics card. So I'll be providing a link in the description to both NVIDIA as well as to the AMD. So the NVIDIA users just go to this particular page and you have to select everything. That is, you have to select your product type, that is GeoForce, select product series based on your configuration. And in my case, it is 14 series. So I have to select the 14 series. And you have to select which one is yours. So based on the configuration, you have to select one. And you have to select, if you're on Windows 10, select Windows 10. If you're on Windows 11, select this one and go for start search. And right now, as you can see, you'll be having these versions and you have to download the latest released version from here and download and install. If we go to the AMD, just go over here. We can see you have to select everything. And once everything is being selected, just go over here and go to the submit. And if the system is based on Windows 11, download this one. If the system is based on Windows 10, download this one. You can also install Microsoft Visual C++, just go over here. And if the system is based on x64, download this one. If the system is based on x86, download this one and install Restart. That is what you have to do. Next one, after trying with this, if you're having the trouble, what we need to do is we just need to try one very important step. Two important step is that one is we need to just go over here, right click, go to the properties, go to the installer file and just click on the verify integrity of game file. So this is going to cross check every single files of a game. And if any files are corrupted, if any files are missing, and all these kind of issues will be fixed by this. So once this is done, I'm going to show you a bunch of steps that can be done. So we need to wait what this get completed. And once I'm going to show you a few more very important steps that can be considered in order to fix the issue. Now, as you can see, these files are successfully validated. So just close this and try launch the game. And the last and the least step, we need to uninstall and reinstall the game. So just go over here, right click, go to the manage and uninstall the game. And we have to reinstall it back, but we should not be installing it back on the local disk B. We have to try local disk E or local disk C. So these are the possible workarounds, and I hope this video is helpful. See you soon in the next video. Have a nice day.